Beer Garden is a rooftop buffet restaurant located inside Stargate Hotel, Kansai Airport. Since it's inside a hotel building, the price is a bit expensive for one person, but it's definitely worth it. Once you're inside, depending on the queue, you'll have to wait until you're given a table. There is a time limit though. You're allowed to stay for only 2 hours so that they can accommodate more people. The place looks like a Hawaiian restaurant. It has a lively feel to it because of the people around, yet still gives a soothing ambience. You can enjoy various dishes, including steak, which is not usually offered in other buffet restaurants. They also have different kinds of drinks such as juice, red and white wine, beer, and other kinds of alcohol. If it's your birthday, everyone celebrates with you, which is a very fun moment. Also, if you have a telescope, make sure to bring it. The night lights here are amazing.